Hello everyone, my name is Eric from 10.1 and today I will show you how to make a Awendaw spoonbread. Awendaw spoonbread is a tender cornbread based dish deeply rooted in stuffing and also gula rich cuisine. Named after Awendaw, South Carolina, it reflects a fusion of African, European and also American traditions and a testament to the cultural syncretisms. The dish involved fruit, trade, conflict, and also the exchange. Let me introduce the main ingredients. We have 3 eggs, cornmeal, the cream style corn, salt, and butter. And next, let's introduce about the origins of these ingredients. Firstly, at 1450 to 1750, the butter it was produced and consumed in Northern Europe, particularly in regions like Scandinavia and British. And the eggs, it came from European traditions, both use eggs in buying food. And the cornmeal, this one comes from America. And the Americans also call it maize. And the heavy cream, this one used in European, especially in the rich regions such as Spanish or French. And after the Colombian exchange, it came to the America. And the salt, during the Colombian exchange, the rock salt or salt was taken from the old world to the new world, and the green style corn became particularly popular in Midwestern and Southern United States. It means come from America. Now let's do it. Firstly, I will put 3 eggs in a bowl. And then I need to add 1 teaspoon of heavy cream. And next, I need to add 2 teaspoons of cornmeal. A little bit more. Let's mix it up. Then I need to add 4 spoons of the cream style corn to mixture. 1, 2, 3. This one is 4. Then mix it up. And then let's put 2 teaspoons in here. Mix it up again. Add a little bit salt. And then grill with 375 degrees in 40 to 50 minutes. And now let's wait. Wow, looks so yummy. Let's try it. It's really good. And now let me tell you more details about history of this food. There are 3 cultures in the dish. Firstly, Americans. The use of cornmeal reflects ingredients, our traditions. And secondly is the cooking method of African. include how to slow real cake and make it more softer. And lastly, the use of dairy products such as butter reflects European influence. Furthermore, a baking in cast iron skillets commonly used in both African and European traditions, which helps create a crispy and the soft. Mm, and secondly, the corn paste batter preparations, as Americans use stone ground corn for baking or steaming the dishes. And about the syncretisms, the syncretism is shown in dish through the combinations of American cornmeal, African cooking method, as I say, and European butter, made by cow, and the cows come from Europe. At that period, salt was traded from Europe to American, but now it's very popular in the world. This blending of technique and ingredients happened over centuries due to cultural ingredients, facilities by trade, relations, and family conflict. Originally, this dish of Stephen United States has its own origins deeply rooted in Native American cuisine. Awendaw spoonbread was common food among enslaved African and Americans because corn was widely available and affordable. Over time, it became a saving comfort food enjoyed by all people, social classes, wealthier and social classes such as the seven Franks or Spanish often add more dairy, eggs, or butter to make it richer and more delicious or yummy. And now let's talk about the creation of corn from wheat symbolized culinary symbolism result from narrations, trade, and conflict. Firstly, the first of creations of African to the American soft introduced trade ingredients and also the cooking methods. They expertise agricultures and cuisine significantly influence different and food traditions, contributing dishes like spoonbread. Secondly, trade of corn, dairy, butter, salt were exchanged between Native Americans to Europe. Lastly, is conflict. Displacement of Native American community due to European colonization led to associations of ingredients, ingenious culinary practice by the seller or the changer. This blending of the cultural result in hybrid dishes such as spoonbread, combine Native American, Euro, and the European ingredient with Africa cooking methods. About triangle trade, as you can see here, European trade products such as salt and heavy cream as a symbol to American, and the African trade slave to American, which means it contribute the ingredient and also the cooking method, also trade followed by the triangle trade, and it's contribute to make the food more yummy and more delicious. In conclusion, Awendaw spoonbread is more than just a dish. It tells story of the cultural exchange, adaptations, versions, conflict, or exchange. With its Native American corn, milk, African preparations methods, and European butter as an example. And this is my video of introduce about Awendaw spoonbread. Thank you for watching.